Okay, what's your name?
Zara Joanna DuMornay.
Where is she located?
North Broward, PG.
D-E...
I can talk for my damn self.
DUMORNAY.
Okay, good morning, Miss DuMornay.
Good morning, my queen. You're beautiful.
You have a battery on an officer, firefighter, EMT, and you have resisting an officer or obstructing with violence. The court does find probable cause.
Okay.
State.
I have a mental problem.
The
police said if they hit me, I should hit them back. That's what my mom taught me.
All right.
Rosita DuMornay taught me that. She said if a person hits you and you don't have the right, hit them back.
All right.
So that's all
right. So why don't we listen up and see what it is that the state attorney wants? Okay.
Your Honor, I'm going to be requesting a $2,500 bond on count 1.
What? I don't even have $2,500.
$1,000 bond on count 2.
Okay, $1,000. I could do that.
No return to 900.
900? Bitch, you got 900.
Northwest 9th Street, apartment number 2 in Fort Lauderdale.
Hold on, I'm writing this down.
He smoked more weed than any black person in America. Bitch, I ain't gonna give me a bond with every charge I have. Bitch, I would never get out of here.
Okay, ma'am, the state attorney's asking for you not to return to 900 Northwest 9th Street, apartment 2. Please do not go back there. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Your Honor, just to advise the court, Ms. DuMornay has an open case in front of Judge Porth.
I do not have Judge Porth. I have Judge Loren and Judge Pfizer.
Burglary of a structure and violating...
oh, my God, bro. They're saying all my business. How are you going to be my public defender saying all my business?
Actually, ma'am, it's the state attorney talking. Your attorney, Mr. Reedy, hasn't spoken yet. When he does,
Reedy, I got Richard Eagles. Excuse me, I don't know who Reedy is.
He's the public defender in the courtroom today. But go ahead, Mr. Linder.
And she has a open resisting without violence that's...
If I don't get out of here, bitch, it's going to be a motherfucking problem. I would not go back to the south side. Bitch, take me back to New York.
Deputy at North Broward, if you could mute the mic at North Broward, please. Thank you.
Yeah, sure.
Go ahead, State. Thanks.
Thank you. I believe it's assigned to Judge Porth, but I believe Judge Spicer is also handling the case, depending on the hearing. Ultimately, I believe that...
Do you have a case number I can just put on here for reference?
Do you want both? Or just the
whatever you want to give me.
17,
I'm just putting it in so another judge can reference it.
Sure, 17-10474, CF10A.
Okay, 10474.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
And do you want the misdemeanor?
Sure.
17-7477, MN10A.
Okay.
Ultimately, I think all three cases are going to have to go in front of Judge Porth.
Okay. Okay, so what say you, Mr. Reedy?
Your Honor, Ms. DuMornay has been living here in Florida since she was 8 years old. She's been staying in the same place since she was 16. She does have a friend of hers who I'm going to call to see about posting bond for her. I would ask for a $1,000 bond on each count.
Okay, any other special conditions besides no return?
At this point, no, Your Honor.
Okay, so the court's going to do $1,500 on 1,000 on 2. No return to 900 Northwest 9th Street, apartment 2, Fort Lauderdale, so $2,500 total. Okay, and you might want to contact someone in Judge Porth's division. Okay, all right, ma'am, did you hear that? Your total bond is $2,500.
Money concurrent?
It's not concurrent, ma'am. You have a bond of $1,500 and $1,000 total, $2,500. Mr. Reedy.
That's my whole check, bruh. Where I'm gonna live at the end of the day, bruh.
All right, well, Mr. Reedy will... No, that's fine. She's fine.
You can let her go.
We're finished, Deputy.